How to add full reel on Instagram story. First, open Instagram on your device. You can do it on an iPhone or Android. Go to the Reels section by tapping the Reels icon. Find the reel you want to share and tap on Share icon. You might try to add it to your story by tapping Add to Story, but notice it only adds a 15-second clip. To share the full reel, go back and press the Share button again. Then, select Copy Link. Next, head to your App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instant Save. I'll drop a link for the app in the description below. Download and install the app. It's free, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I've been using it for over a year with no issues. Open the Instant Save app, and the app will automatically fetch the reel you copied. Simply click on it. At the top right, click on the Save icon. Now, go back to the Instagram app, and at the top left corner, click on your story. Choose Share to Story to upload the full reel. Regardless of whether it's 30 seconds, 2 minutes, or longer. And that's it.